Willy Wonka. Which one looks good? We want a golden ticket one. That one's not that good. No, that's far back. I don't know, that one kind of looks good on that side, or which one do you like? We just need golden tickets. I'm gonna go, I don't know, that one, these three, pick one of these three. And I think we need a Slugworth. I'm gonna go right here. This is the one I looked at. Alright. Because I got golden, here we go. So we're gonna do, it's $1.30 a swipe.
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
I definitely want a bar of chocolates.
What's
Did they raise the prices? Was it always $1.30?
I don't know what the price is. I don't pay attention.
Oh my god. Why are you not working?
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
Oh.
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
What are you doing? I'm trying to swipe
I'm
this.
not doing anything.
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
Alright, here we go.
Alright,
Alright, Robert, here we go. Alright. Don't lose my... You want to put them in my bag? Or you want to carry them around like your best buddy? If you want to, in the bottom of the bag is our cards if you want to see what we need. The big part. It's in a Ziploc bag at the very bottom. No, not with the chips, a separate bag. I'm assuming we just need golden tickets. Or wait, did we get golden? I don't even remember what we got last time. Oh, that's a good question.
Holy crap, you got
That's what we got last time. Oh, I forgot. There's also DC. I brought the DC in case we want to see if we needed what we needed for a complete set on the DC. Because I think we're almost have a complete set. You what? I don't think they're in any order. Just 20 tickets. Okay, I'm really happy the music at Kokomo Joe's. You can hear the Willy Wonka. The arcade music in the background is not too loud. Very nice. So we pretty much have everything but golden tickets.
One golden ticket.
You what? Oh, we do have a golden ticket?
Yeah, you have one.
Okay, well then pull one set aside because I'm not keeping them. We can cash them in. So one complete set is 5,000 tickets. Oh, we have enough for a squishy today.
You need violet too.
A violet? We need a violet. There's 2 violets here.
Yeah, you need violet.
Oh, you need it for that set or I need it for another set?
No, you just need it.
We do need a
also
violet.
need the fat kid.
Okay, we need Violet and Augustus to complete the set. Okay. There's a Violet and an Augustus on this card.
Chocolate river.
Who should I go for? I'm gonna go for Violet first. So you're saying for our
one set. We had one set.
Okay.
I'm telling you what we need for a second
First,
set.
got it. That's what I did not understand. So
We need purple and
there's
chocolate bar.
yeah.
Now it's time to say
This is slow
goodbye.
going. We won tickets, but no cars. Did I pick the wrong machine? No. We're gonna stick with
A new
it.
machine.
No, we're
I'd
sticking
like a
with
bar of
it.
chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
This is want to look better?
No, you're all
I'd
right.
like a bar of chocolate,
It's a
please.
fine spot.
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
One away from a golden ticket. Alright, someone put their nose on that glass.
Yes.
That wasn't me. Oh my god, did I make it worse? Okay.
All aboard, everybody.
Oh, 2 cards just fell. There was a Slugworth and a Grandpa. Give me a golden ticket, please, please, please. Oh, one off. Oh, I want a golden ticket. Everybody wants a golden ticket. Who wouldn't want a golden ticket? I think I'm going to concentrate on Violet a little more. Here comes a card.
All of my most secret inventions.
It was an Arthur Slugworth. Oh, Grandpa just fell.
That didn't sound good.
I know. Poor Grandpa.
I hope you enjoyed yourself. Excuse me for not showing you
I
out.
did
Straight up the
enjoy
stairs.
myself.
You'll find
Okay.
a way in.
So we got that first round in 10 minutes. We got Slugworth and 2 Grandpas. Slugworth and 2